Hey, let me show you all the best features of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So first of all, I'm gonna start with the phone application because everything is bigger and will be more visible for you. But all of these things that are not available on the app, I will actually then move into the watch. So first of all, definitely I like about this watch that we can change the watch faces, but we can customize them. Like we can change almost everything right here. We can even download a lot of different watch faces that they are completely free. There's even this animated watch faces. When you select one of the watch face, you can find it already right here. And you can even add the custom watch faces. So we can set the photo as a watch face. You can pick the photo from your phone or for example from your watch, because right here we can find storage and we can also share music and photos. So let's stay with this animated one. And now let's go back for another option that will be available in the watch settings. Right here we got function called the read notifications aloud. So it means that if you receive some kind of the notification, you don't even grab your watch. When you are connected with your earbuds, you can listen through your about your notifications through your headphones. So this function will be available in the advanced notification settings, and here we can find them. You can read them briefly, watch will read them briefly or in detail. Next, right here you can also find the always on display, so you don't need to actually wake your screen if you want to quickly check the time. It's visible just right here. Take a look. Then when you are in this display settings, we can also increase touch sensitivity, which will allow us to actually use this watch with gloves. In the next step, I want to show you all of these buttons and the gestures. So as you can see in this watch, we can find 3 buttons: the home button, the action button, and the recent apps or back button, however you can call it. So as you can see on the quick button, we can find some options that we can set here, like for example the Samsung Health, the stopwatch, some kind of the features. We can find the start action, so we can short press or for example double press, and we can press and hold it, the button for siren, but of course you can switch it off. The same for the home button, we can double press to open any application that we have on our watch. And for the press and the hold, we can wake for example the voice assistant Bixby or the Google Assistant. On the back button, which is located right here, we got the short press, so we can go for the recent apps or for example to the previous screen. But also we can find here a lot of different gestures, like for example the double pinch, the shake to dismiss, knock knock, and more of them are even available in the watch. So right now I'm gonna show you where they are located. When you navigate into the settings and then go into the button and the gestures, so we can find all of these gestures right here. There we got the double pinch, shake to miss, knock knock, but we can also find the universal gestures. So when you turn them on, you'll be able to find another one. We have to just go back from this one. There we are. So we've got activation method, but we have to go here, and we've got pinch, double pinch, make fist twice, back and forth, and when you enter here, you can set it up, but also we can get this gesture tutorial, so you will know how it actually looks and how it actually works. So we have to put it on your wrist, and now you've got this animation, how we can use this specific gesture. Now I also enjoy all of these health features on this device, like for example we can check the heart rate, but also we can get the low and the high heart rate alerts, but of course they are working only when we are resting. You can get the all day heart rate measurement. It works the same for the stress. Right here we can even capture the sleep. We can capture the skin temperature during sleep. We can even record the snore detection. We can enable the snore detection and record our snoring sounds. We can check blood oxygen during the sleep. And the other things are available right here, so I'm gonna right now open them. So when you go into the health application right here, we can find of course a lot of workouts, but of course we can check the blood oxygen level, the blood saturation. And when you go right here, I'm gonna show you what I mean about this additional health features. There's the blood pressure, but it's only available when you are connected with the Samsung phone. And also there's the ECG. So another useful option, but also works only when you have the Samsung phone. Next, we can find here the heart fall detection, which is located on the safety and emergency. You can simply turn it on, and now we can even set it up, like for example when to detect falls, for example always or only during the workouts. You can set the emergency numbers, the countdown, a lot of options. Next, you can also access into the Google Play Store, so it means that you can download a lot of apps right here. Like for example, you can get some games. You can even control the camera of your phone when you download the Google application. I mean the camera application. You can install here WhatsApp, Google Keeps, a lot of options. You can even quickly locate your apps by tapping here on the search. Then you can find some section, like if you are looking for example for some communication, click here, go into the search, and now you can find all available apps like WhatsApp, Gmail, Google Contacts, Google Messages, and other apps, even the Google Calendar and Microsoft Outlook. Next, we can also transfer music into our watch and the pictures. So it will be available right here. When you go to the manage content, you can move tracks on your watch and images on your watch. So you can click here, select something from your phone storage, and it will be visible just right here. Next, we can also activate the mobile plans, which means that right here we've got eSIM. So with this phone, we can use this watch without our phone. Thanks to this eSIM activation, we can make the phone calls, we can answer the messages straight from our wrist without using our phone. We can also find here the Bluetooth connection, so it means that you can connect headphones straight into your watch. There we go. We've got also the Wi-Fi, so we can stay connected to the network when you are outside, and you can for sure find NFC, so it means that we can pay with this device. And that will be all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.